Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make Reddit TikTok videos in 2025, the kind that you see going viral daily. No camera needed, just content, voice and some editing. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and you need to search for reddit.com. Now once you are on Reddit, you need to simply just log in into your account. Then you need to use the search bar in the top and search for the subreddits like Ask Reddit, or you can also search for slash r slash confessions, and you can also search for this particular query here. You need to look for the top posts with high upvotes and lots of engagements. This means the content already resonates. You can just take the clean screenshot of the post or the comments, or you can copy the text and paste it into your own layout using Canva, CapCut, or any other editing software. You need to make sure to blur the username for privacy concerns and keep things reasonable. Then you can use any of the editing apps like CapCut, TikTok, or any of these. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using Filmora. So here you need to break it into parts. If it is long, each segment becomes TikTok scene. So you need to pick the so you need to add the project over here just like so. Then you need to provide the natural sounding voice that fits the mood, calm for serious stories and energetic for the funny ones. While the story plays, you can use the background clips like Subway Ideas, Minecraft, Parker, AI animations, or any of the stock footages. This is the stock footage that I want to use. Here if you go to the global media, you can add any of the background over here just like this one. So once you are done with your editing, you just have to click on the export option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you can just add a bunch of other details like hashtag, subtitles, backgrounds as well. Then you can use it very easily. So this is how you can make a Reddit TikTok videos in 2025. If this video helps you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.